I don't know if she's going to have a full go at roaring, or she's just going to contact call. It's a roar. It's a locating sort of mechanism. It carries much further than this little grunting. So she does really want to locate the rest of the pride. A big roar and wait for a reply. The roars can carry long distance. The male's roars we can hear 8 kilometres away. They can hear much further than that. A lioness, maybe we would be able to hear half that distance, 4, and then maybe 8 for the lions themselves. They should do. They should do. See you, mate.
I'm going to be doing a little bumble later.
Yeah, it should be fine. She's on Newington there. Shouldn't be a problem. Well, they're going to mate behind us now. That's not going to be very fair, is it?
What's going on with that Midota Mapogo?
I fucking forgot, but she's going up bush by now.
Wow, this is more shit. Oh wow.